Hello students, welcome to the new video. I hope you all are doing well. In this video we are going to continue the exercise 5.6. Let us start. In the previous video we have done question number 1. Today we are going to start with question number 2. Question number 2, match the following. Measure of the triangle is given. We have to find which type of triangle is this. First one, 3 sides of equal length. Consider this triangle. Triangle ABC. Here AB is equal to AC is equal to BC. That is given. All sides are equal. Which kind of triangle is this? Equilateral triangle. Second one, 2 sides of equal length. Consider this triangle. Here AB is equal to AC. That is given as AB is equal to AC. 2 sides are equal, then that triangle is said to be isosceles. What is the name of that triangle? Isosceles. Third one, all sides are of different length. In this triangle, maybe AB is 4 cm, BC is 3 cm, AC is 5 cm. All 3 sides are unequal. What kind of triangle is this? Scalene. Fourth one, third, 3 acute angle. 3 angles are acute. In this triangle, suppose all 3 angles are less than 90 degree. That means maybe this is 40, this is 80. All 3 angles are less than 90 degree. Which kind of triangle is this? Acute angle, the triangle. Fifth one, 1 right angle. 1 right angle. That means in this triangle, 1 angle is 90 degree. What kind of triangle is this? Right angle, the triangle. Right angle, the triangle. Sixth one, 1 obtuse angle. 1 obtuse means more than 90 degree. In this triangle, 1 angle is greater than 90 degree. That kind of triangle is called obtuse angle, the triangle. The last one, 7. 1 right angle with 2 sides of equal length. This is 1 right angle triangle. These 2 sides are equal. If 2 sides are equal, then that triangle is said to be isosceles. 1 angle is 90 degree, therefore that is right angle also. Isosceles, right angle triangle. Isosceles. This is the answer. 3 sides of equal length, that is equilateral triangle. 2 sides of equal length, that is an isosceles triangle. All sides are of different length, scalene triangle. 3 acute angled triangle. 1 right angle, that means right angled triangle. 1 obtuse angle, that means obtuse angled triangle. The last one right angle with 2 sides of equal length means isosceles right angled triangle. Is that clear? Now question number 3, name each of the following triangles in 2 different ways. 2 different ways means 1 according to the measurement of sides of the triangle. Second one according to the measurement of the angles. You may judge the nature of the angle by observation. There is no need to measure the angle by using protractor. You can estimate the angle by observation. First consider this triangle. Question number 8. The sides of the triangle is given. One side, that is 8 centimeter, other 5 centimeter, the third one 5 centimeter. From the figure it is clear that 2 sides are equal. This side equal to this side. 2 sides are equal, that means that is an isosceles triangle. Two different ways we have to say. That means the first one isosceles triangle, second one according to the angles. We have to find out the angle measurement by observation. That means I am going to name this triangle ABC. Consider this BC. This is a baseline. And consider this as the point, this point as center, and I am going to draw a perpendicular. Therefore, this perpendicular angle is 90 degree. We know that. From that, this is clear that this angle is less than 90 degree. That means acute. Now we are going to consider this line AB. Consider this as the point. I am extending this line. I am going to draw the perpendicular of this line, then that will go in this way. That means this angle is 90 degree, this angle is less than 90, therefore acute. Now consider AC as the baseline. I am extending this. From this point I am going to draw the perpendicular. This angle is 90 degree, that means this is less than 90 degree, acute angle. All 3 angles are acute, therefore this is an acute angled triangle. 2 different ways we have stated its name. 2 sides are equal, therefore this is an isosceles triangle. 3 angles are acute, therefore this is an acute angled triangle. Question number 3b. The triangle is given. This is 15 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter, this is 17 centimeter. One angle, when it is showing in this way, that is normal angle. If that is showing in this way, that is 90 degree. If we are showing in this way, that is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Therefore, according to the angle, we can say that this is right angled triangle. The length of the sides are different in all cases. This is 17, this is 15, this is 8. Three sides are unequal, therefore this is scalene triangle. Right angled triangle because one angle is 90. All sides are unequal, therefore this is scalene triangle. Question number 3C. Triangle ABC. BC is the baseline. This angle we can observe by observation. We can understand this is greater than 90. I will draw the perpendicular from C. This is 90 degree. This angle is more than 90 degree. Therefore, this is an obtuse angle. First, it is obtuse angled triangle. Two sides are equal. Therefore, this is an isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles and obtuse angled triangle. Question number 3D. This triangle is a right angle triangle. From this angle we can understand this is 90 degree. Therefore, first right angled triangle. Second, according to measurement of the sides of the triangle, two sides are equal. Therefore, isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles right angled triangle. Question number 3E. From this figure, it is clear that all three sides are equal. Therefore, this is an equilateral triangle. Consider BC as the baseline. From this point, I am going to draw a perpendicular. This angle is 90 degree. That means this is less than 90. Therefore, this angle is acute. Now, I am going to consider AB. From A, I am drawing a perpendicular. This angle is 90. Therefore, this is less than 90 acute angle. Consider AC as the baseline. From C, I am drawing a perpendicular. This angle is 90 degree. That means this is less than 90 acute angle. Therefore, we can say that this is an acute angled triangle. One thing I want to say, children, because in a sum of three angles of a triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, we know that is 180 degree. In an equilateral triangle, three sides are equal. That means three angles are also equal. Therefore, measurement of one angle is equal to 180 upon 3, we get 60 degree. In an equilateral triangle, measurement of each angle is 60 degree. Always that is true. In an equilateral triangle, three sides are equal, its three angles are equal, measurement of each angle is 60 degree. Clear? Question number 3F. From the figure, it is clear that all three sides are unequal. Therefore, it is a scalene triangle. Consider BC as the baseline. From B I am drawing the perpendicular. Then it is clear that this angle is greater than 90. That means this is obtuse angle. Therefore, it is an obtuse angled triangle. Next question is question number 4. I will read the question. Listen carefully. Try to construct triangles using matchsticks. Some are shown here. Can you make a triangle with first one? 3 matchsticks. We have to use 3 matchsticks. I am using 3 matchsticks. Yes, I can make these 3 matchsticks. We know that all the matchsticks are equal in length. This triangle we can make equilateral triangle. Maybe this is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. By using 3 matchsticks, we can make a triangle, that is equilateral triangle. One of the property of triangle I want to teach you, that is triangle inequality property. This is a triangle ABC. Length of the sides of this side is A, this is B, this is C. A plus B is always greater than C. B plus C is also greater than A. A plus B is greater than C. C plus A is also greater than B. C plus A is always greater than B. A plus B is greater than C. B plus C is greater than A. Any 2 sides when we are adding, that should be greater than the third side. This is this property. We must know this property, then only we can make this triangle, children. You have to note it. Triangle inequality property. Sum of 2 sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. The first case we have made the triangle, that is an equilateral triangle. The second case we are going to construct a triangle or not. We have to find it. We are going to use 4 matchsticks. 1, next 1 more. I am using the next third one. Now I am using the fourth one. We can't make because here one side is 1, 2. This is 1. This is 1. 2 plus 1 is greater than 1. But 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, not greater than. Therefore, this is not possible. Sum of any 2 sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Then only we can make. Here the first case, that is yes, and in the second case it is no. The third case, 5 matchsticks we are going to use. Yes, it is possible. because this is 2, this is 2, this is 1. 2 plus 1 is greater than 2. 1 plus 2 is greater than 2. 2 plus 2 is also greater than 1. Therefore, this is possible. If this type of triangle, two sides are equal, therefore isosceles triangle. Which kind of triangle is this? Isosceles. This is equilateral. This is isosceles. Last one, by using 6 matchsticks. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. This is 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter. Yes, this is possible because 2 plus 2 is greater than this 2. This 2 plus 2 is greater than this 2. Sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. Therefore, this is possible. What kind of triangle is this? Equilateral triangle. With this, we come to the end of this video. Next video, we will learn about quadrilaterals. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.